Hi everyone, Helen here. I was preparing to post another video, but when I received this email from Zazzle, I feel like I had to make this video to share my thoughts and what this means for us creators. I'm sure you must have received the same email. What is your thought? Let me know in the comment below. In general, the emails I get has 5 takeaways. They are introducing the new ambassador program, and they are telling us the simplified earning models, and also they are saying higher rewards for promoting our products and increased competition for advertising, then the need to adapt, and they are also encouraging for organic content creations. So I just hop onto the new Zazzle ambassador program page, and what does this page is telling us that Zazzle has just rebranded its associate program into the ambassador program, and the changes are pretty big. Before, we could earn 15% from promoting our own products or someone else's, but now if you promote your own designs, you can earn up to 50% commission. That's a game changer. These moves tell me that Zazzle wants us, the creator, to take control of our marketing efforts and build our own brand. This is a clear shift toward organic marketing. Instead of relying on paid ads, Zazzle is rewarding those of us who actively promote our work. If you have ever thought about stepping up your marketing, now is the time. So why does this matter? We all know that ads don't work like they used to. People are no longer convinced by random banner ads or search results. Instead, they buy from people they trust, follow, and engage with on social media. That's why Zazzle is now incentivizing organic marketing. They'd rather pay us, the creators, than pour more money into expensive ad platforms. And not only that, but this program also levels the playing field. If you are someone who has been struggling to gain traction on Zazzle, now you have a powerful incentive to start building your own audience and driving traffic to your own designs. It's no longer just about listing products and waiting for sales. It's about taking control and actively growing your brand. So how can we take advantage of this? If you are a Zazzle seller, this is your sign to start showing up as the face of your brand. Here are a few ways to do that. Number 1, you can share your creation. Post your product on social media, Pinterest, or even your own blog with your referral links. The more places people see your design, the better. The next, the number 2 way that you can increase your visibility is by creating behind-the-scene content. Show people your design process, your inspiration, and how you bring ideas to life. People love seeing the work behind the product. Number 3, engage with your audience. The more you connect with your followers, the more likely they are to support you, answer their questions, share tips, and interact with them. And the number 4 is leverage video content. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Reels, and TikTok are huge for organic marketing, and organic video is now ranking high. So a quick video showcase your designs or sharing a tip can bring in a lot of potential buyers. And number 5, you can start thinking like a brand ambassador. Instead of waiting for sales to come in passively, become the reason people find and love your designs. So what is next for me? This shift has inspired me to start creating Design With Me tutorials, where I show how I create my designs, list them, and market them on Zazzle. My goal is to build a community for people who love my design and want to buy directly from me. So I will be experimenting with different marketing strategies and sharing my results with all of you. If you have ever wondered how to effectively promote your Zazzle products, you won't want to miss it. So stay tuned for that. So final thoughts. Zazzle message is clear. The future belongs to creators who take control. This is our opportunity to become the face of our brand, build trust with our audience, and increase our earnings. So what do you think about these changes? Are you ready to step up and take control of your success on Zazzle? Let me know in the comment below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. See you next time.